One of the user has asked a question on this IFB refrigerator. This is the IFB brand refrigerator, which I did the unboxing and uploaded in our channel. And the precise model is, see here, IFB DC 2235 slash 2025 year. And the question is about the defrost button, whether when you push the defrost button, will it come pull out automatically? So we'll check it now. So currently, if you observe, there is no much ice buildup in the ice tray here, in the smart freeze area, and it is kept in echo mode. If I can show you, or see, the meter is in echo, and just now I pressed it. It used to be the button is to be level up here. I just pressed it inside, and I'll check it like after some time to see here. Press defrost button in case of exercise or every 3 days. Okay, if there is ice buildup, see here, currently there is no ice buildup. For just for the testing purpose, just to share the information with you, see here there is ice buildup. Okay, here there is ice buildup, and there is no much ice buildup, and here is some ice buildup. Just for the testing purpose, I'm doing this video. All that I need is just hit a like, so that it would be really helpful for me. So press default button in case of exercise or every 3 days. Do not use sharp objects to remove ice. Okay, fine. That is the instructions. It is available here. So after some time, I'll be checking whether this button will manually come up or comes out, so that for the next operation we can again click this or press this defrost button. So yeah, I'll be back after some time. See here, I just came back here to the fridge after like 4 hours. Means I forgot, actually I wanted to check after 2 hours, but after 4 hours the button came back to its original position. See here, I just uh, pressed it down for the manual defrost, and the water is collected at the back tray. I'll show you that. So just for this reason, I just moved the fridge to this. Is it visible or not? The water here, uh, if you can observe, I'll check it here. Yeah, if you can see, this water container at the back side is filled up. So the defrost collected the water here. Anyway, I'll pour it out now. Yeah, so maybe 2 to 4 hours it will automatically comes back to its original position. Means we need to press the button, and automatically it gets back to its position. Yeah.